Imagine driving this same car every single day for decades. Same engine, same heart. And that engine just keeps towing. No rebuilds, no replacements, no breakdowns that end its life. Some of these cars didn't just touch 1,000,000 miles, they cruised past it like it was nothing. Today, we're diving into the real stories behind cars that survived 1,000,000 miles on a single engine. And trust me, some of these stories are so unbelievable, they sound like urban legends. From a BMW that spent 4 years on a rolling road, to a lady who drove 548 miles every single day, to a Volvo that hit 3 million miles. This episode is filled with stories you've never heard before. So sit tight, because the last few cars on this list will absolutely blow your mind. Let's get started. Number 1. BMW 325i, 1990. Some cars fight their way to 1,000,000 miles. This BMW 325i, it basically relaxed its way there. Mobil Oil bought it in 1990, drove it 1,000 miles, and then put it on a rolling road for 4 years, non-stop, except for oil changes every 7,500 miles. The legendary M20 B25 straight 6 was barely stressed. By the time it hit 1,000,000, it was still in excellent condition, maybe because it lived a life easier than 90% of us. But hey, 1,000,000 miles is 1,000,000 miles. Number 2, Hyundai Elantra, 2013. This story sounds fake, but Hyundai confirmed it's 100% real. Farah Haynes, a car parts delivery driver, clocked 1,000,000 miles in just 5 years. That's 200,000 miles per year, or 548 miles every single day. Every single day. Her secret? Just regular maintenance and a quality car. Hyundai was so shocked that they literally surprised her with a brand new Elantra. Number 3, Volvo 240DL, 1987. The Volvo stereotype is true. These things refuse to die. Sheldon Cooper drove his 240DL for 1,000,000 miles between 1986 and 2012. Body repainted? Yes. Consumables replaced? Yes. Engine touched? Hardly. Volvo's B21 engine lived up to its reputation. Unstoppable. Number 4, Chevrolet Silverado 1991. Frank Orexnick bought his Silverado with 41,000 miles on it and drove it another 1,000,000 miles as a food distributor. The secret weapon? Chevy's legendary small block V8, one of the most reliable American engines ever made. He wasn't trying to set records, he was just trying to avoid debt, and ended up making history. Number 5, Dodge Ram 2500, 1996. Delivery driver Dan Edelman bought the Ram for one reason: the 5.9-liter Cummins diesel. His transmissions? They died. His engine? Barely bothered. Edelman knew how to treat a vehicle, and he proved it with both his 1,000,000-mile Ram and a Plymouth Voyager with 600K. Number 6, Honda Accord 1994. David Whittle lived inside his Honda Accord. Literally. He hit 1,000,000 miles in 2001 while mapping routes around America. His reaction? A bit controversial, but the Accord earned all of our respect. Number 7, Lexus LS 400, 1996. Motor journalist Matt Farah bought a high-mileage LS with one mission: push it to 1,000,000 miles. The LS already had 897,000 miles when he found it. He finished the job in 2019, though the digital odometer froze at 999,999. One more mile on the trip meter confirmed the milestone. The 1U ZFE V8 was still smooth as butter. Number 8, Lincoln Town Car, 1983. Some people drive for work.
Chet Belial drove for love. His town car started at just 53 miles and ended at 1.3 million miles. The Ford Windsor V8 needed one rebuild, but never needed replacement. Not bad for 22 miles per gallon. Number 9, Mercedes-Benz 240D, 1981. Paul Harmon bought his 240D with 40,000 miles and hit $1 million in 2007. His secret? Oil changes every 3,000 miles, no excuses. By 2012, he was at 1.1 million. A clutch and a starter were the only major parts replaced. Number 10, Saab 900 SPG, 1989. A turbocharged car reaching 1 million miles? Unheard of. But Peter Gilbert did it. He drove his Saab 900 SPG, known as the Arrow outside the US, to 1,138,005 miles. He hit a few deer along the way, but the engine held strong. Today, it sits in the Wisconsin Automotive Museum. Number 11, Mercedes-Benz 250 SE, 1966. Most million-mile stories start with a new car. This one starts with a used one. Then Clopot bought his 250 SE when it already had almost 1 million miles. The previous owner and family had already driven it past 950,000. Clopot kept the tradition alive, driving it over 1.28 million miles total. His secret? Fix things immediately. Number 12, Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, 1970. George and Lustella Koschel drove their 280 SE for 1,019,000 miles. Mercedes even bought the car back to display at the 2005 Detroit Auto Show. Fun fact, Mercedes gives a special award to any owner who reaches 1 million miles. That's how legendary their durability reputation is. Number 13, Porsche 356C, 1964. Guy Newmark inherited this 356C from his father and used it as a daily driver for decades. He crossed the 1 million mile mark in 2016. The air-cooled Flat 4 was rebuilt 3 times but never replaced. 1 million miles in a classic Porsche? Now that is dedication. Number 14, Toyota Tundra 2007. 2 words, trailer deliveries. Victor Shepard hit 1 million miles, then his friend Aaron Morant hit 1 million miles in another 2007 Tundra. Both serviced at the same dealership, probably the only service center with 2 million mile Tundras. Number 15, Volvo 740 GLE 1988. Some commutes feel long. Vic Dress had a 160-mile round trip every day for 17 years. That alone pushed his Volvo 740 GLE to the brink of 1 million miles. He switched to a closer job in 2005, but finished the 1 million mile goal in 2014. Patience rewarded. Number 16, Volvo 1800S, 1966. This is the king, the legend, the undisputed champion. Irv Gordon bought his 1800S in 1966, gave it regular care, and drove it to 3.2 million miles. Guinness World Records. 3 million miles reached in Alaska, and until he passed away in 2018, he kept driving. No car on this list comes close. Number 17, Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD, 2006. Hugh and Tammy Pennington drove their Silverado all over North America, hauling 40-ton trailers. They hit 1 million miles in 6 years. That's 166,000 miles per year. 700 miles a day was normal for them. Vacations, also road trips. These people live on the highway. Number 18, Dodge Ram 2500 2007. Another trailer hauler. Donald Jensen drove his 5.9-liter Cummins Ram to 1.7 million miles by 2019. The funny part? the odometer broke twice. The least reliable part of the truck was the part that was supposed to show how reliable it was. So what's the real secret behind million-mile machines? It's not luck. It's not magic. It's not a miracle. It's simple. Regular maintenance, fixing small issues before they grow, and choosing a vehicle built to last. If you enjoyed this deep dive into million-mile machines, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which car shocked you the most. I'll catch you in the next video, where we explore more automotive secrets the world doesn't talk about. Thanks for watching.